Hi friends, I am Anjan and welcome to the first video tutorial of the Verilog course. In the video, we will be learning about on how basic gates work and how the Verilog code can be written for these 5 gates. Now let's go to our first gate, that is AND gate. AND gate is a circuit which is capable of taking multiple inputs and driving all of them to a single output. Why? Here I consider 2 input AND gate and here is the truth table for the 2 input AND gate. Here you can find an important property of the AND gate, that is output y equal to 1 only if both the inputs A and B are equal to 1, or else it will be equal to 0 on the other conditions like 0 0, 0 1 and 1 0. So I will be using this property in designing the Verilog code. Now let's move to the Verilog code. Here I declared module name as AND and output as register y, because y is used in the always block here. So it should be declared in the form of register reg. So here I declared output reg y and inputs a comma b, and I declared in a comma b in the sensitivity list of the always block, because they are the game changers here. If any one of the a or b change, the output will be changing. So I here declared them in the sensitivity list. And coming to the always, inside the always block, in the if condition I used the property which I mentioned before. It is a equal to 1 and b equal to 1. If both are true, then y the output equal to 1, or else on the other conditions y equal to 0. And here the AND gate Verilog code will be displayed like this. Now let's go to the OR gate. It is just similar to the AND gate, which means it too can drive multiple inputs to a single output. And here you can find the truth table for it, where you can find that y equal to 0 only if both the inputs A and B are equal to zeros. This is the typical property of the OR gate. Okay. Now I will be using this property to design the OR gate too. Again, the upper part is similar to the AND gate, that is just besides the name. Here I use the OR as the module name for the OR gate, and rest of the part output reg y and inputs a comma b are similar. Now coming to the inside the always block, you can find the difference, that is condition, the property a equal to 0 and b equal to 0. If both are true, then the output y will be equal to 0. On the other conditions, y will be equal to 1. Now let's move to the simplest gate, that is NOT gate. I mentioned the simplest gate because it is driving only single input. It is capable of taking only a single input and giving only a single output. So I mentioned it as simple, and it will act as an inverter too, which means it will invert 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. Okay. Now I will be using this truth table concept, and I will be designing the Verilog code. Here you can find I used the else if condition, because I am giving the output y equal to 0 when a equal to 1. To mention this condition, I have been used this else if statement here. On the other hand, a equal to 0 when, so the output will be y equal to 1. Now let's move to the NAND gate. NAND gate is just the connection between the AND gate and the NOT gate. So here I am again using the simple trick, that property trick. Now that you can observe the truth table, and you can say that y equal to 0 only if both the inputs A and B are equal to 1, or else it will be equal to 1 y. This property is going to be used in the NAND gate Verilog code designing. Here you can find the similar to the AND gate upper part, and in the always block you can find the property, that is a equal to 1 and b equal to 1. If both are true, then y will be equal to 0, or else y will be equal to 1. Now let's see the NOR gate. Here you can see I here you can observe that NOR gate is just the connection of OR gate and the NOT gate. And here is the truth table for the NOR gate. And here is the definition for the NOR gate. Now just pause the video and just try for a once how to design a Verilog code for NOR gate. If you find easy, just do check to my Verilog code and whether it is true or not. Now let's see my code. I mentioned the NOR gate here, and I mentioned the here code condition a equal to 0 and b equal to 0 and y equal to 1, and or else the condition y equal to 0. Okay, and now kindly do subscribe, share and like the video to kindly do like, share and subscribe to Start Scratch. Do check out our other videos to learn your interesting skills as a part of your enhancement.